Good day. Today, consider I give you a problem of the form as this, which I will write 15 plus bracket 8 minus 5 close bracket raised to the fourth power divided by 3 minus 8 times 2. What is the solution? Well, this is where we will start looking at the order of operation. How do we work such problems? We will start from standard. We're going to start from the left hand side, which is on your left hand side, to you likewise, and work towards your right hand side. That is the way you should work it. However, there are rules which we need to follow in order for us to get this problem correct. If you feel that you won't be able to answer this such problem or problems of this form, well, don't worry, because by the ending of this video, this will explain to you how to work such problems and how to apply the rules. So we will be looking at what is known as BEDMAS. BEDMAS. This may be familiar to some. Well, don't worry if it's not familiar. We will get to know what that means, okay? This is used when a bunch of mathematical operations, the mathematical operations are as follows. Mathematical operations such as addition, multiplication, division, subtraction, or any way that they come. It doesn't make any difference. Once you follow these rules, you should have no problem in solving such problems, okay? So let's follow this standard approach of BEDMAS. So we will get the correct answer by following simple procedures and rules, so long as we follow BEDMAS again. What is BEDMAS first of all? Well, BEDMAS is simply BEDMAS is an acronym which tells us the order of operation, or in other words, it's telling us how we will be solving this problem here. Okay, so let's proceed to the next part. Now, what are we going to do first of all? Well, let's expand. What does BEDMAS mean? Let's go back to BEDMAS. Let's put BEDMAS. BEDMAS. Let's see what all this means. The B stands for brackets. Remember our problem here. So, brackets. Brackets will be done or do first. You will do this first. Anything that is within brackets, you will work them out here first of all. And then E stands for exponents. What's an exponent? You will this is a power on a number or on a bracket. This piece here is the exponent, okay? So that comes next. Then we have multiplication and division come together, okay? And then we have addition and subtraction. Now, the multiplication and division must be done from left to right. The addition and subtraction must be done from left to right. Now note carefully, anything that is within brackets first is to be worked, then anything that has an exponent, then anything that deals with division and multiplication, but you must work them from your left hand side towards your right hand side, and then anything that is left with addition and subtraction, you do it afterwards from left to right. So let's see how this works with this particular problem. Let's write the problem again. So we have 15 plus 8 minus 5 to the fourth power divided by 3 minus 8 times 2. So this is our problem here. Okay, so according to BEDMAS, it tells us that anything that is within brackets. So what's within brackets? Let me highlight the part that we're going to do first. So this is in red. This is the piece. Now I'm not asking you to do it on your paper in different colors, okay, but simply means that this is what is in within brackets, so we must work that out first. So when we work out this piece here, we get 8 minus 5. That gives us a value of 3. Excellent. And then we bring down the power, this power that is on top, because this means that everything inside goes to the power of 4. Okay, so that's our information. Then just bring down everything else. The divided by 3 stays here, minus 8 times 2 equals, don't forget your 15, bring down the 15. Look how everything just came down. Okay, now the next thing that says you must do exponents. Is there an exponent? Yes, there is, the 4. So we will be working out this piece here. So 3 to the 4th power means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Let me write it out here. 3 to the 4th power is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. This is not saying 3 times 4. This is saying there are 4 3's being multiplied by themselves, which gives us a value of 81. So when we raise 3 to the 4th power, we get a value of 81. So we do that. Okay, now we bring down the rest as usual. Don't touch anything else, just bring it down. Okay, now we have done brackets, we have done exponents. Now the rule says that you must do division or multiplication, but you must work from your left hand side towards your right hand side. Who's more to the left hand side, multiplication or division? Well, this is my left hand side, so when I start from moving from this side towards my right hand side, I notice that there's somebody being divided, this piece here. So let me highlight this so that you can see what will be happening next. This is the piece that I'm going to be working out first, because this says division, all right? Or it could have been multiplication if multiplication was on this side here, all right? So now let's bring down, let's say 81 divided by 3, that gives us 27. And then just bring down the rest. We're going step by step. You could have done this problem already, but I'm just showing you step by step. Then what's next? Well, you don't go to addition and subtraction. You still on division and multiplication, because remember you're working from left to right. Is there any more multiplication or division? Yes, there is. There's a multiplication here. So this is what we're going to be working out next. 8 times 2. This red here came from this 81 divided by 3. So therefore 8 times 2 gives us 16. Okay, and then just bring down the rest. Okay, then we are finished with all brackets, exponents, division, multiplication. All that is left with is addition and subtraction. Again, it tells you from left to right. So let's say 15 plus 27. How much is that? Well, we're going to work with this. So we say 15 plus 27, that gives us 12. 42 minus 16. Okay, so we're up to that point. We have done all possible addition, or if this subtraction was first, then we would have done subtraction first. Now we are left with 42 take away 16. That gives us 6, 3, 26, and that's our solution. All what we did, we followed BEDMAS. Brackets, exponents, division and multiplication from left to right, addition, subtraction from left to right, and we got our solution. For some, instead of looking at BEDMAS, you get what you call PEDMAS. Okay, so PEDMAS, let me write it out here. Some people call it PEDMAS. Is that something new? No. It is simply powers. Anything that is within powers. Okay? So we could have used powers, say, here we could have put here P stands for powers. E, exponents, D, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Nothing more than that. But if you follow all of these rules of BEDMAS, which is known as the order of operation, you should be successful in your calculations. So you won't get lost in this problem series. Okay, just follow procedures. Okay, and you won't get the wrong answer. So this is the order of operation, order of operation.